If a song could be a song that would be just for you, then I guess this would be the song. If a wish could fill your heart with every dream come true, that's the wish I've been wishing all along. For everything that's good and is beautiful, you bring to life by simply being you. So this song is a song that is yours and yours alone. Happy birthday to you. If a smile could be like sunshine on a winter's day, then your smile has always kept me warm. If the joy of life was yours to give away, there'd be rainbows without any storms. You're not one in a million, you're one of a kind, the kind that has my love and gratitude. So this song is a song that is yours and yours alone. Happy birthday to you. I celebrate your life. Happy birthday to a heart that beats just right. Happy birthday